Yeah, left or right. Okay. Speed control. Here got 3 speed. How many angle they can control? They got 45 degree, 90. This is a rotating display stand, 360, okay, turntable for product photography. If you are looking for this rotating display stand and 360 turntable, I recommend this one. This one got 3 power. One, you can use this type C 5-watt power, and you also can put on this 3-unit AAA battery, or another one is a lithium battery here. Okay, so I recommend that using this type C power direct to it. Okay, when you see the green light, actually is not yet on. If you want to switch on this turntable, just press any button. Okay, actually it's rotate now. You want to off it, just press any button, about press and hold 3 seconds. The width about 5.5 or 5.4 inch. Okay, now I put a product on top of it. And then how to power on? Here got 3 buttons. Any button, just press it. Okay, when it's a red light, it's power on. You want to switch off, press any key, press and hold about 3 seconds. 2, 3. Okay, now it's off. Okay, now I want to tell you the function of this 3 button. Alt stroke L is you turn it to right or left. Okay, press this button now, switch on. Okay, turn to right or turn to left. Yeah, left or right. Okay, for this one, SL is speed control. Here got 3 speed. Press one more time. Okay, very slow. Okay, press one more time. Yeah, slower. Okay, press again. 1, this is the speed. Slow, slowest. So here got 3 speed to control. Okay, and this one ASA. ASA stand for auto stop angle. How many angle they can control? They got 45 degree, 90 degree, and 180 degree. So another one is continuous. Okay, now I set to. Okay, I press one more time. Okay, this is a 45 degree. I press one more times. Okay, when turn to 90 degree, it turn it back. I press one more time. This is a 180 degree. Okay, 180, it turn it back. Okay, I press one more time again. Okay, this is a 360 degree. Okay, it turn to 360 degree, then reach to 360, it turn back. Okay, if you want to continuous turning, then what you do, you press this button again, Alt or stroke L. Okay, you just continue. Okay, rotate. You can see that. Press button again. Okay. So we want to switch off this rotate turntable. Just press any button. Press and hold about 3 seconds. Okay. That is. Bye bye.